one present here. And first of all, on behalf of Citylity, I'd like to welcome all of you. It's a pleasant morning in Bangalore, even though it's getting hotter every day. Thank you once again, Jose, for this wonderful opportunity. You're a very good friend. And welcome delegates from US and Europe as well. So my name is Shampa. As has been introduced, I am the CEO, founder of Citylity. And Citylity essentially means city mobility. And hence, we are here to represent and talk about what we are doing in the mobility space. So let me start with a story. One of my friend's daughter, she's just started with the college. And as a daily activity, what she does is she either takes an auto plus metro or sometimes bike and bus to go to her college and then come back. The challenge that she faces on a daily basis is when she makes the hop from auto to metro and other things, there's a lot of waiting time that she faces, which essentially means that the connectivity part is missing. And hence, she ends up spending more time waiting for the next transit and reach her destination. So what we are doing, particularly in Citylity, is basically create this connectivity and help improve the overall ETA for your trip plan. So thereby, our main objective here is basically to provide a greener, safer mobility and thereby also reduce the overall ETA by up to 20%. We are not here to compete with Google. Google is doing a fantastic job. At times, what we are trying to do here is just reduce the waiting time in between, and overall we can always achieve the benefits of reducing the 20% of travel time. We have done pilots under the guidance of Mahua, and we received government grant to do the pilots. So we are very privileged to talk here also about it. We are actually launching today in Bangalore with all the connectivity. And how we are doing essentially is we are collaborating with agencies. We are collaborating with cities. So in Surat City, for example, we worked with Surat Smart City. We aggregated and collaborated bus data, bike data, cab data, and various other data like safety index, traffic index. So when we have all this data, we what we do is create a network. And that network is called Citylity Sustainable Network. And the entire network at the back end is built on something called quantum AI, which is very, very new in the industry. Most of the automotive companies are working on it. And it's an inspiration also to improve that and put Citylity on a global map in terms of the tech. Why are we doing it? I think the basic fundamental of this entire program and forum is sustainability. To me, sustainability is improving quality of life, improving travel time, improving the commute experience, customer experience. So we are here to achieve that 3-4 pointers on sustainability. And of course, there has to be a business angle for anything we do, right? So we are talking about rolling out a concept called sustainability as a service, which also means SaaS, but instead of software, we call it sustainability as a service. Finally, what are we doing differently? Because there are players in US, there are players in Europe. One of the most successful company in the world right now is MoveIt, who is it's an originally Israeli company, and they have very nicely done the multimodal mobility network. But how we are different is our motive is not just to create the network and give a faster trip plan, but we want to do more innovatively by achieving savings in the carbon footprint, by achieving savings in terms of the safety awareness for not just for women and children and elders, but in general for any public traveling in public or private transit. So Finally, I would like to end my presentation. I just have a really very short presentations. I just want to play the video, which talks mostly about how differently we want to do it, and I hope we can. So thank you very much for giving this opportunity once again. I'll take just really talk 1 minute. We are going to work with Bangalore Metro as well and Bangalore bus service as well. We have already created a network and we have data already in Bangalore with various bike operators and cab operators. Today, if you download the app, you'll be able to see how you can commute to the airport right from Leela Palace using the multimodal network. And in case you're just having one luggage, it's convenient to take the public transit and the other means rather than just single solo ride on Ola and Uber. So I will encourage all of you to please use the public and transit, which is nicely maintained and been running in the city. And at the same time, also I would encourage all of you to please come and visit our stall. We have a fantastic team standing. Shivani is there, Chris is there, Ajay is there. Please come and meet us and let us know if you have any feedbacks for us to improve more on this. Thank you so much.